Hi, I'm Stephanie, and we are virtually kindergarten.
Today we're having some science fun and we're making Magic Snowman Dough.
We're going to show you how to make the dough now, and we'll link the recipe below. Let's get started.
So the first thing you need is 2 cups of baking soda.
Next, 2 tablespoons of salt.
The next thing you'll need is 1 teaspoon of soap. Any dish soap will work.
And 8 tablespoons of water.
And for the water, you can always add a little more if you need it. Once you get the 8 tablespoons in there, if your dough's not sticking together, you could add just a little bit more. And now it's time to mix it up. And you'll know your dough is ready when you can start to form a ball for your snowman.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start making the snowman, and then we're gonna decorate it. And to decorate it, you can use anything like, we have some pipe cleaners. We have little foam pieces that we're gonna use for the eyes and buttons and maybe a hat. You could use anything waterproof, any of your kids' toys, like maybe marbles.
Barbie toys,
there you go.
Anything plastic, anything waterproof will work. After your child has decorated their snowman, here comes the fun part. You get to make the snowman melt by using vinegar. So I just have some vinegar here in a spray bottle. Are you ready?
We're ready.
And speaking of melting snowmen, one of our favorite books is Sneezy the Snowman. And in this book, Sneezy keeps melting. So this would be a really fun book to read with your child before or after doing this science experiment. And I'm also going to link below a craft. There's a really fun melting snowman craft. And you could also incorporate it into a writing activity. Have your child write about a reason that their snowman melted.
It's a great idea. We hope you have fun doing this activity with your child. If you do try it out, let us know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
Bye.